Hello and welcome to 3 Minute Portuguese Course 1. I'm Kieran and I'm a language tutor based in the UK, and I wrote this course to help you learn to speak Portuguese. This course is based on the methodology I developed for teaching languages, which I use in all my classes and courses. The methodology will get you speaking quickly without the struggle normally associated with language learning. If you've tried to learn a language before and failed, please give my course a go. We are all human, which means we all possess the attributes that make us human. There's a wonderful quote by a man called Terence. He said, "I am human, and nothing that is human is alien to me." In my mind, what that means is that if one person is capable of something, then we are all capable of it, because we're all humans too. There's nothing in the world that I can't understand if somebody before me has succeeded in understanding it. Therefore, it's only logical that since there are more than 260 million people in the world who've managed to learn to speak Portuguese, then you can learn it too. Anyway, let's begin. Portuguese in 3 minutes? I hear you cry suspiciously. Well, yes. This course is intricately designed to get you speaking Portuguese in the shortest time possible. I've created this course as a complete Portuguese course for the complete beginner who only has a few minutes to spare each day. Everything you need is contained in this course, and I've set out each lesson so that they can be completed in short bursts for whenever you find yourself with a moment of freedom. Before you start this course, let me share with you an extremely handy learning tip that helped me to progress quickly and effectively in language learning. When most people start studying for anything, they tend to spend the first day or two studying for hours and hours and get through loads of work. However, very quickly this begins to dwindle. You might feel like spending hours studying Portuguese, which is great, but you want that feeling of motivation to continue. But it won't continue if you actually spend hours studying. Limit your study time to chunks of just 3 minutes, no more. If you limit your studying to 3 minutes, there are 3 things that will happen. Firstly, you'll maintain enthusiasm. If you want to learn anything, you have to maintain enthusiasm, or else you won't continue. If you limit your study time to just 3 minutes, you'll keep Portuguese fresh and exciting, and you'll be eager to learn. If you spend hours studying, very quickly, you'll get bored with Portuguese, and it will turn into a chore. Secondly is more consistent studying. It's much better to study for 3 minutes once a day than to study for 3 hours once a week. A spare 3 minutes is relatively easy to find, even in the most hectic of schedules. If you make sure that you complete at least one 3-minute study session every day, it'll quickly become a habit that you'll do without thinking. It's much easier to fit in a daily 3-minute habit than a weekly 1-hour habit. By doing this, you'll become a much more consistent learner, and consistency is the key to success. Thirdly is more effective memorization. This is my favourite reason as to why you should limit your study to just 3-minute chunks. If you study something for just 3 minutes every day, you'll trick your brain into memorizing the information more quickly than if it were to see the information for hours each day. It'll think, well, I see this information every day, so it must be important. But I don't see it for very long, so I'd better hold on to it and make it a memory fast. You'll be amazed at how much more easily things tend to stay in your brain if you limit yourself to just 3 minutes a day. So 3 minutes is the key. Set a timer, and once you reach 3 minutes, stop. Then give yourself at least half an hour before you do another 3 minutes. You should aim to do at least one 3-minute chunk every day. Any more than that is a bonus, but one is just fine. Just listen to this course and complete the exercises, that's all. You'll be amazed at how much you learn.